Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing us another trade recap. I know I haven't posted a trade recap in a while, but I'm going to get back into it. Today is March 2nd, 2026. Today I actually went on tilt, so it's not the best day to be posting my first trade recap, but I told myself start March, I'm going to start posting my trade recaps back because I used to, and I don't know why I stopped. I know why I stopped because I was just focused more on my Discord and posting the trade recaps only in my Discord. But I'm going to close out my community for a little bit and just focus on my own trading because I've been a break-even trader recently. And I really just need to focus on my own trading abilities. But today I went on tilt and I am super disappointed in myself, but it is all good because it's all part of the process and it opened my eyes a lot today. And I have to realize I have to control my thoughts more. It's me versus me at the end of the day. I'm sorry if you guys can hear background noise. My dryer is really loud. Let me go turn that off actually. Alrighty, we are back. Sorry about that. I didn't realize it was even going at this point, but yeah, so we went on tilt today. All the executions are now gone. I lost $430 on all three of my Tradify accounts, and then I actually made money on my Apex accounts. I have screenshots here. So this was the day I went on tilt. My first trade was a pretty good trade. I got stopped at a break even. I did not manage that position correctly. Let me go back to the charts and show you this trade. So this trade was actually a very nice trade. We came down. We were clearly bullish today. We pumped at market open. We created a 15-minute breaker here. I was just playing to fill this new week opening gap because it was a massive new week opening gap. Asia highs still weren't touched yet. They were touched on ES. But we were coming out of this 15-minute fair value gap, this massive 15-minute, and I knew we didn't really need equilibrium because we never finished our model and we're just so bullish. So I wasn't looking for equilibrium, but we were clearly bullish here. Tapped in the 15-minute with this wick here, came down, and then we had this 1 minute inversion of the downside. Or no, there wasn't. Yeah, there was. Nope. There was no 1 minute inversion of the downside, but this massive candle down. If we were truly going to be bearish and get another rebalance, which we didn't need, we would have just displaced through here. We would have displaced all through this low resistance here. So this down close candle, and then we got a perfect V-shaped recovery. I'm sure there was like a 30-second inversion in here. I don't trade the 30-second chart, but I knew we wanted to come to Asia highs after we did that. And we also put in a 2-minute inversion, as you guys can see right here. There was a 2-minute inversion right here. I wanted to enter directly off this 2-minute inversion, but I did not click market buy. I was going to limit order, and I messed up as well today. I messed up with my managing positions. So my leader account 403, I was on 796 when I went to go enter with my leader account, where I had my limit order at 50% level of this 1 minute fair value gap here. So it also aligned with the 1 minute breaker. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high, 1 minute breaker right here. 50% level, 1 minute breaker right at this high here. So my limit was right here, somewhere right in here. And I got filled for right here. And if I just normally, if I went in with my leader account, I would have copied all my accounts, but it closed that position automatically because it wasn't my leader account that I went in. And then I switched over to my leader account, and by the time I recognized, I got a terrible fill. I marketed it in. I should have just stayed away after that point, after that mess up. And I got filled all the way up here. I don't know if it shows in the screenshot, no, but I got filled like right up here. So as soon as Asia got tapped, I went break even right away. But I really should have just waited for a displace through Asia, a close above Asia session, which was this line right here on this candle, and then went break even, and it would have been safe, and I would have TP'd fully when this new week opening gap got filled. But after that trade, my emotions were cooked. I just did not manage my emotions well today. That's something I really learned. I have to be more disciplined with my emotions. I'm disciplined in my everyday life. I'm disciplined with eating healthy. I'm disciplined with going to the gym. I'm disciplined with everything besides my thoughts. I need to be better at controlling my thoughts. And when I have these negative thoughts and I just have to step away. And honestly, I came into the market very anxious already because I'm on a losing streak. Last week I lost Thursday and Friday, and then today I was very anxious trading when I came into the markets, and I just should have not even traded, honestly, because of those emotions I was feeling. But I was too focused on the P&L, and before the trading session, I'm like, okay, it's the start of the month. Let's end the month. Let's start the month green, you know? So my mind was so focused on starting the month off green and end up going on tilt today. But this first trade, after I messed up on my positions, it would have been a beautiful trade if I got in where I wanted to get in on all my accounts instead of the one account that ended up closing and had a better fill. If I had this fill on all my accounts, I would have went break even when we got a close above here. And it would have been a full TP trade, would have been a beautiful trade. But after that, in the screenshot you can see, I went in shorts actually right here. So as soon as we got a break lower here, I got in shorts right on this down close candle. I was in shorts like right here. Because I was like, okay, we filled that whole new week opening gap. We're displacing lower. I think we had a 4-minute inversion. Let me see. No, there actually was no inversion on this trade. But I don't know. I just didn't follow my rules today. I expected this to eventually be the rebalance. And then I saw this perfect V-shaped recovery. And I didn't realize, I think there was a 5-minute in here. Yeah, there was a very tiny 5-minute in here that I did not see at the time until I was clicking through after I entered. Just very poor trading for me today, honestly. But this is the transparent trader that I am. I'm always going to post the truth within my trading abilities. But there's a 5-minute here. After that 5-minute got tapped, we saw that perfect V-shaped recovery right here. And I'm like, okay, I'm just going to, this is the 5-minute. I got in right here. After it rebounds to the 5-minute, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a beautiful V-shaped recovery. And then, so I entered shorts originally, and then I sold right away and flipped my position to go long. You guys can see in the screenshot right here. So I went in short, closed it instantly once we came back to break even. And then I went in long right here. And once I went in long, my stop loss was right here and got stopped out. And that trade set me off, yo. That trade made me so mad. I'm like, perfect V-shaped recovery, but it's just very choppy. After new week opening gap got filled, after Asia got filled, after Asia's session highs got taken, these were Asia's session highs right here, I should have been done for the day because I know we're just going to consolidate and we're just going to move just like how we are. Consolidation, slow chop, inverse up, came back down, inverse up, you know, and I should have just stayed away from all of this. And then I took that loss, so I went in long right here. Once we got a little rebalance and then got stopped out, that put me down 430 on all my accounts. Here's another screenshot of how my accounts ended today. So on all the accounts, I was down 430. And then I literally just went on tilt on all my Apex accounts. I was clicking through one by one and just full porting. And I was just scalping this long position right here to go higher to here and then to higher. Because after we came down and started pushing up, I'm like, okay, we're going to go up. So I was just scalping little positions. Well, not little positions, big positions with a lot of size. I ended up making 658 on one account. This account wasn't down at all. I don't know why I traded this one. I should have just stayed away from this one, but I made 658. This account was down 430. I made 600 and made that money back. And then this one, all these were down 430. And just like my Tradeifys, I didn't go on tilt on my Tradeifys. I just let them be. So this is what I should have been down on the day. I should have been down 430. I realistically should have been a break-even trade and just been done. But I was manipulating my mind into thinking there was a setup because I wanted to end the day green. And it just did not go well for me today. But this is the transparent truth of trading. Trading is all an emotional battle, and I have to learn to be more disciplined with my thoughts. When I'm having these negative thoughts, just step away from the charts. It's okay to not trade. And I know what I'm doing. I know this stuff. But today was just a reminder of that stuff that I need to just stay more disciplined with myself because I know what I'm doing. I just need to follow my edge. But I know I haven't posted a trade recap in a while, so I'm just going to give a little update on my accounts as well. So I actually requested a payout last Tuesday, and it's still pending. I don't know why it's taking forever, but this is like a $2,600 payout. And then after that, all my accounts on Apex, they're all in a pretty good spot right now, so I'm not stressing this too bad. I'm so grateful I did not blow any of my accounts, but I don't deserve any of the P&L that I hit today. But these are what my accounts are looking like on the Apex. Let me switch this. And Apex actually had a crazy update, so I don't know if you guys seen, but I lost my code with Apex. They got rid of my affiliate. But here's all the accounts right here. I requested a payout on 43 right here, 44, and then 42, I think. So I need to build these. I need to build this one up to 4,100 to request a payout. And I'm just going to build all these to 4,100. And then my Tradeify accounts, let me refresh. They are all down now at this point. I was up on them. You guys can see I was green here, and then I had 2 losses in a row, made all that money back, and then 2 losses in a row, and then today I lost it all. So all these accounts are just up, down. Like you guys can see, I've been trading for 14 days, and I'm basically at break even on these accounts. So I just need to change my mindset moving forward and be okay with not trading, because a lot of these losses, like this loss here was a dumb loss, a stupid loss that I could have stayed away from. This loss and a loss Friday was a very stupid loss too. It's just stupid losses that I should not be taking. And that's what I'm going to move forward and just focus on not trading every day. And I have to just trust and surrender to the Lord more, because I trust in the Lord, but not enough with my trading. And I have to more, because it is really affecting my trading and I need to make stuff happen. But I need to move forward, and I can't dwell on this. You can never dwell on this. If you go on tilt, you can't dwell. You just have to move forward, and yeah. So I'm just trying to be more productive in my everyday life, control my thoughts. I started reading. I'm about to read this book here, How Champions Think. Just improving my psychology every single day is something that I'm really trying to learn over the next few months. And be done with the doom scrolling. I doom scroll so much on social media, and after I trade poorly, I always just result back to short-term dopamine. So I really just have to battle these emotions myself and stop doom scrolling and stop searching for happiness on social media or in people. You know, I have to just focus on myself, focus on becoming the best trader possible, and that's really my goal moving forward. But yeah, that's going to be it for this trade recap. Expect more trade recaps from me. I don't know if you guys seen, but if you are inside my Discord, I posted in my Discord an announcement. Moving forward in March, I'm not going to be doing live trading anymore. A lot of people are joining my live trading just to signal bot, and I do not like that. I like being a teacher. I like helping you guys, but if you guys just want to take trades that I'm taking, I don't like that. So I'm not going to be live trading anymore. I'm not going to be posting my daily bias. I'm going to be posting my trade recaps on YouTube. My goal moving forward in March is to be the best trader possible for myself, because the past 2 months I've gotten payouts, but I overall just been a break-even trader, and I'm very disappointed in my own trading abilities because I know what I'm doing. But you guys can read all this if you want. This Discord was meant to be to share ideas, but like it's super inactive, and a lot of people, like it's literally just me posting a lot of the time. Like these are what the chats look like. These are what the gains chat look like. Like I have a few people that post here and there, but it's just not as active as it used to be. So I deleted everything. I deleted all my exclusive. And I'm just going to focus on becoming the best trader possible for myself. And today was a very rough day to start that. But like I said earlier, I'm not going to dwell on it. I'm going to move forward. I don't want to see this anymore from me. This tilt, if I'm one trade and done, that's going to be my goal moving forward. One trade and done. Unless it's a break-even trade, then I'll move forward and try to take an A-plus setup, but stop manipulating my mind into thinking there's good setups when there really isn't. You know, all this is chop on the higher time frame, and I have to scale out to the higher time frame. Like after new week opening gap got filled, we can expect chop, and that's exactly what we did. And I didn't trust it. I didn't trust myself today, and all a part of trading. But that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'm excited to get back to posting these trade recaps. So if you guys do enjoy these, make sure you guys drop a comment. And yeah,